Hello, this is Houston Bennett with Mobile User Experience, term 1401. This is the Week 2 Usability Findings video. To start off, overall, the user experiences, or at least the feedback I got, was positive. Um, I did run into a few issues, some oversights, and just kind of last minute things that I dropped the ball on that will definitely get fixed in the next iteration. At first, I had them. I just asked to open the menu to and then add a task. One of the first things I noticed was not everybody um, knew that the little hamburger icon, was for the menu. In the next one, I'm just going to change that to just a plain text. It'll just say menu. I've noticed that in some especially with like the iOS 7 stuff, or the newer when I updated the iPad, that just seems to be kind of the new kind of standard for things, or at least it seems to be moving that way. So you can go ahead and click on that, and this is just pre-filled in stuff. This is where another issue cropped up. This menu button doesn't work. Sometimes you want to back out. This is something I hadn't thought of. Sometimes you want to back out of adding an item in order to go check other things or something, just whatever reason. So the only way I've added this is to actually click the button, brings you back to here. And to the second part was to check the calendar, just to kind of get an idea of how everything would be laid out. And these don't actually drill down. That was something that kind of disappointed people. Also, with when you click on this, it does actually take you to the list, but again, these don't actually drill down. So those were just some disappointments that people had mentioned. And last, this was something that just came up because people were kind of playing around. I added this at the very end, but there's no way to escape this. And some people got to this point just from poking around and playing with things, and so I had to restart the app and get them back on track. I didn't get this plugged into the app itself, so when we were all finished, I just opened this up for the survey for them, and had them fill out a few questions on that. um, I'm really looking forward to the next iteration of this, where because I'm actually going to put it together with the proper UI controls and all of that stuff and make it work the way it's supposed to. This was just kind of a quick SketchUp kind of thing, just to see if the layout and everything would work all right. So yeah, that'll be pretty cool for the next one. See you guys next week.